we are going to add and subtract rational expressions with like denominators. But let's begin with a problem from a long, long time ago. We have 2/3 plus 8/3. In adding and subtracting fractions, you have to have like denominators. And I do. They're both 3. So I know my answer will be over 3, and I just add up the numerators. 2 plus 8 is 10. Yes, it's as easy as that. Let's get a little bit more exciting. Look at this problem. 3x over x plus 9x over x. Do they have the same denominator? Yes, they do. We can add them up. And we do know that it will be something over x. Well, just add the numerator. 3x plus 9x is 12x. Oh, but wait a second. We can reduce. In the numerator, I do have 12 times x over x. And yes, those x's will cancel out. Your answer is simply 12. We have 12n over 3n minus 2 minus 8 over 3n minus 2. Are these like denominators? Yes, they are. Our answer will equal something over 3n minus 2. I have 12n minus 8. Now this problem was not that difficult because I just had one term. But be careful about this negative in front of this fraction, because if this term had been a binomial, I would have to make sure I distributed that negative. Okay, am I done? No. I have to reduce. In the numerator, 12n minus 8, I have to factor that. And it does have a GCF of 4. I will pull out the 4. 4 times 3n is 12n, and 4 times a negative 2 is 8. So I factored the numerator. The denominator stays the same. Am I done? Nope, not yet. This is 4 times 3n minus 2 over 3n minus 2. Yes, you are correct. The 3n minus 2's will cancel. Those are exactly alike. My answer is simply 4. Let's try another one. 3x over x plus 3 plus 6x over x plus 3. Can I add these fractions? Yes, they have the same denominator. And my answer will be something over x plus 3. In the numerator, add them up. 3x, and that's plus 6x. So I don't have to be too careful about that sign. 3x plus 6x, they are like terms. It will be 9x. Can I reduce? Can I cancel those x's? Could I cancel that 3 and 9? I know you're wanting to, but don't. This is not x. This is not 3. This is x plus 3. And it will only cancel with another x plus 3. So you're done. One more problem to go. 8n plus 3 over 3n plus 4 minus 2n minus 5 over 3n plus 4. I am adding and subtracting, so I do need a like denominator, which I have. It is 3n plus 4. I know my answer will be over 3n plus 4. But in this one, you need to be careful. You see this minus? I have to distribute that. That is not just minus 2n. That is minus the entire numerator. So I will write this out. I will have 8n plus 3. And that will be minus 2n plus 5. you must distribute that negative. So now I am ready to add my like terms in the numerator. 8n and a negative 2n is 6n. Positive 3 and a positive 5 is a positive 8. All of that divided by 3n plus 4. Am I done? You may be able to reduce. When we are reducing rational expressions, we have to use factoring. Factoring just does not go away, does it? In the numerator, it does have a GCF. That is your first step of factoring. It has a GCF of 2. Pull the 2 out. 2 times 3n is 6n, and 2 times 4 is 8. So now I do have 2 times 3n plus 4 over 3n plus 4. Does anything cancel? Yes, it does. The 3n plus 4 and the 3n plus 4, your answer is 2. So remember, if you are adding and subtracting rational expressions, it's just like the fractions you did in the 5th grade. You have to have a like denominator.